Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to show the battery percentage on your Android phone. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the settings by normally swiping down the notification bar and then choose this gear icon on the top right corner, or you can search your settings option by exploring all of the apps. If you scroll down, you will get the settings icon here. Just normally open it. So I'm suggesting to swiping down the notification bar and choose this gear icon to open it. And then you will see the settings interface. Now, normally you have to scroll down a bit. Normally you have to click on this notification and status bar. Then choose status bar from here. And now you will get an option here, battery percentage. Just normally choose this option and choose outside the battery or inside battery icon. So that's it. If I select this one, here you can see that the battery percentage is showing now on the status bar. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.